Hello everyone, and welcome to part 2 of the appendicular skeleton, where we will look at the pelvic girdle. The pelvic girdle is made up of 2 pelvic bones that come together. Right, and what we're looking at here is we see 1 pelvic bone. Okay, and this pelvic bone is going to sit in your body. Trying to do this with one hand here, okay? It's gonna sit in your body like this, okay? Just like you see there, all right? And then we're gonna join 2 of these bones together. So you see right here, okay? We're gonna join 2 of these bones together at this area called your pubic symphysis. We'll talk more about what joint that forms later on in our next unit. For now, let's just focus on the bones. Now, you will see that I put some red tape on this model. And the reason I put tape on this bone is because I wanted to show you how this bone, okay, is actually made up of 3 separate bones that come together. So if we look at this one up here, okay, this is our ilium, okay? So if we look at this model, it's this whole piece here is our ilium. Looking at this, we see it's all of this coming together right here, okay? So it's all of this. This bone right here, this is your pubis, okay? We'll see some of it in here as well. And then this bone, it's gonna be your butt bone, okay? Because remember, we're gonna sit in here like this. So this one here is your ischium, and that's what you're gonna sit down on, okay? This part, this rough patch down here, this is your ischial tuberosity. We often use the word tuberosity to refer to a rough patch area of bone where we attach muscles. Up here, we see our iliac crest. The iliac crest is just this top portion of the ilium. And we'll see that it gets thicker about here. Okay, so we will see this thickness of the iliac crest. This structure here where these 3 bones come together, this is called your acetabulum. And this is where we're going to articulate with the femur. And you can actually see that here. We're looking at the acetabulum here. And we see how we have this joint here with the acetabulum. Okay. This part right here, this hole, remember we used the word foramen to refer to a hole, and this is your obturator foramen, obturator foramen. And we can see that here on this model as well. Okay, that's it today for our pelvic girdle. Stay tuned for part 3 of the appendicular skeleton, where we will move to the arm.